Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Gupta and our team is working on the project Impact of the Coronavirus on Supply Chain and Logistics. I worked as a researcher in the project. My main responsibilities are to research the relevant literature from the authentic sources, conduct the analysis and apply it in the project for the completion. I have expected to complete my assigned tasks and expectations within specific time interval. All these tasks are handled and controlled using quality literature. I have researched about the South Australia livestock exports and its importance in this project. My expectations are to provide the best methodologies from the literature towards the project completion. I have guided the group members based on my research policy and research methodology. I also take as report writing for this project. Accomplishment for the project. I have studied about the South Australia livestock development and exports, and more specifically for the South Australia specific livestock enhancement. I have found this from the more authenticated articles and magazines. I have visited the top quality web pages and articles that must be contacted. Literature reviews so that I have analyzed about the livestock exports more deeply. I have explained all the relevancy to the project in detail to provide the effective management. Stream specific knowledge. Knowledge about the livestock development and export is maintained. Knowledge is about to get some more advanced skill techniques about the project relevancy. I have learned about the new skills that must be adopted in the rest of the project development. I have used some more useful and advanced tools to conduct the main survey regarding the knowledge-based schemes. There are some number of measurements that must be adopted and reported towards the supply chain and logistics management. About my project learning. The main learning from the project are about working in collaboration with team members and all relevant documents that are expected to overcome the main functionalities. I have learned about the livestock exports from the South Australia, ports used in livestock and other related materials. All the main functionalities are linked with this procedure for the effective learning about the supply chain. I have learned from the authentic journal articles about the logistics supports in South Australia. I have drawn conclusion about the group options and group membership managements. So what could be better done? More search can be conducted and relate towards the effective delivery of all services to be produced and managed. Separate studies conducted for the livestock, and there is always need of change and gap analysis for the effective monitoring and control statements. Although there are always chances to improve, I will search more sources for the literature so that I can better guide my relevant sources of knowledge and sources of resource provisions. There are a number of resource allocations and resource management to provide the effective management skills. I have provided more technical support for the project projections and project support. More interviews and surveys can be conducted to provide the effective time management. Thank you everyone.